soda.
Hi guys, today we're in a boat that it's
Now we invite you
moving,
to sit back, relax, and enjoy your
and
flight.
we're at the beach, but not in Long Beach.
The area of water
We
in right now
are
is known as
with cousin
Pearl Harbor.
Jacob.
It was dredged out in the
Hi,
1940s.
Bob.
Smaller vessels.
But my sister Debbie is not here because she's in Debbie the Leon's house.
Donated to these.
Well, this is moving, man.
It's not actual, it's navigation.
No, es un video, cámara.
Pon un ratito, pon un video en YouTube.
Esto. Okay. I'm sorry that I speak Spanish because I speak English.
Yeah, boy.
Right here is a firehouse. I don't know what's that, but I forgot what was it.
Yeah,
Lighthouse, I think. Lighthouse.
Lighthouse where?
Yep. This is moving so cool.
Yeah, boy.
45 minutes right here. Because the other ships are like 3 hours, man.
Yeah, boy.
The American flag. A skyscraper. Wow, this is
Lighthouse.
Ahí sí se va. Ponte para acá, papi.
okay.
Ponte, apóyate tu codo acá. Así, así. Ajá.
So now we're gonna now we passed the lighthouse. Now we pass the house we pass a store, I think. Yep. And we're about to pass the American flag. Just kidding.
And I see another boat
Where?
over there.
Oh yes. There's the other boats. This boat is driving and we're going somewhere. We're going somewhere that we don't even know.
Yeah,
This
boy.
boat this boat right there is going somewhere. I think it's going all the way where I started.
Yeah.
Right here is a kind of like a bridge. Yeah, kind of like a bridge. We're not in San Francisco, okay? But we're somewhere like on the bridge. So like here's a camp right there. You see all over there. It's kind of like a amusement park or like an amusement park. Something else. So why is it? Wow. Well, I should say it's cool, the water.
Yeah.
And I saw.
Benjamin, I see 2 boats.
Yep. Let me see an exploration of the trees in Long Beach.
Benjamin, did he ever do this before?
Well, yeah, Jacob, you're so right. This is the Titanic.
That's the big.
Titanic.
That's the big. Oh, sit down.
The Titan. Oh, sorry. Yeah, right there. See right there. That's the Titanic.
Sit down.
Okay, Jacob.
Te paso.
Now we're going somewhere that we don't even know. Looks fun. So, Jacob.
¿Cuál es el de allá? Así es como que.
So, Jacob's looks for sad. Batman. Look at world. Oh, look at skyscrapers.
And
Look
up
at
there we
that.
have the Queen Mary. The Queen Mary was built in the 1930s in Glasgow, Scotland.
1930s? What was built in 1930s? Yeah.
This made her too
The
wide.
Titanic.
Now during that time. Now
Now we're about to pass the Titanic.
Yeah.
The Titanic. Titanic. Hold up. The Titanic. It's a long Titanic.
Oh, look at Bestie. Look down there.
Titanic. Titanic. Okay, whatever. Titanic. This is a big Titanic. Titanics are the biggest ship in the world.
Yeah, boy. That's the biggest.
The Queen Mary made one last final trip around the tip of South America and ended her career right here at Long Beach. She now serves as a floating hotel to the young. And as we round the end of the Queen Mary, you'll see a dome there that shows how Howard Hughes.
Whoa. Look at over there.
Hughes was a wooden seaplane.
Yeah, look at that boat. That's cool. For instance, That's cool. Look right here. Look at that big old. What in the world is right there? You see that? Not the Titanic, but back, like behind it. It's kind of like a ball. I don't even know what's that.
That's that.
And this is the other, I think, and another big ship. Okay.
Going hard.
Wow. Jigga, you like this?
Sure.
No, you like it?
Sure, yeah.
What is this right there? Man, this is a
That's
fish.
a big ball.
Yeah, is it a ball or
A belly. A big flat belly.
I don't know what's that.
Yeah.
Hmm. So it's almost 6 minutes. Okay, great. Let's check here. Cool.
Yeah, boy.
You gotta be kidding me. This is the best ship ever. Hey, a flag here. It's moving around. Woohoo, man, oh man. Woohoo.
Yeah, boy. Look that little boat.
This is the best. This is Long Beach. If you want to go one of these boats, go to Long Beach in
Yeah.
California. So then you can go to one of those boats.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, if you want to go to the 3-hour boat, and for children, it's kind of like $30 for children.
Yeah.
You know, man, that's a lot. And for adults, it's $48. Oh man. But when you go in 45 minutes that we are, kind of like the adults get $18 and the children will get $6.
Yeah.
Right, Jacob?
Yeah.
We pay it. So now
We're in the boat. We got tickets. Then we give them to our mom.
wow, it's getting chilly because look, the wind is blowing the American flag. Oh boy.
Oh,
Getting
boy.
cold. I heard your heart beating. I see you
We want to go to the beach. It's over there, the beach. So far over there, okay? It's over there.
Oh yeah, you're right, Jacob. And it's sprinkling a little bit. Just
Yeah. Just kidding. What's that sign doing? What's that American flag doing?
Oh, twist around. Look. Oh man, it's windy today.
Yeah. It's the
Almost
boat.
8 minutes now.
This is the boat. The boat is so.
Oh, look, a cloud. Yes. Wait, I don't. Wait, you see all right there? That right there?
Look, there's a lot of boats.
Yes, there is, Jacob, because people want to use them to go around and see us and look for animals.
What about me to see a dolphin?
Dolphin? Well, there's some creatures down here that show some dolphins and other creatures too, like sharks, whales, octopus, electric eel.
Yeah.
No, not electric eel. This one.
That's
Fish,
a river.
fish, salmon,
Salmon.
archer fish.
Archerfish. Oh, yeah, I know. A big white shark. A white shark?
A hammerhead shark, a
No,
blue
white-
shark,
No,
a
white
mako
shark.
shark. A lot of
Great
creatures
white
down there.
shark.
White shark.
No, great white shark.
Orcas, killer
Yeah.
whales, great white shark.
Ooh, so cool.
Oh, we're in an adventure.
That's a lot. The city.
So sorry about that because my dad was taking me a picture.
Yeah, there's a lot of cities.
Look, a lot of skyscrapers, man.
Look, my shark. A creepy shark.
I get that shit too.
Yeah,
It's getting chilly. Oh
yeah.
man.
And colder.
Yeah, because
The wind.
yeah, the wind. It's now almost 10 minutes of video
Yeah.
time. So, wow, 10 minutes now.
Yeah. How far we are?
I know how far we are.
Oh, look at the boat. We're getting closer to that boat.
Look at that boat.
Yeah.
Sorry, that's blurry because we're on the camera.
There
There's
have
a
a
girl
cover.
blocking us. Sorry about that.
Benjamin, no, there
Can you
have a
resist?
cover. We don't have a cover. There have a cover.
Okay.
Ooh, nice. Nice win. Oh, you know, there's a lot of animals in the water.
You're right.
Ooh, getting bumpy.
Oh, it's getting bumpy.
Sit down.
It's getting bumpy, guys.
Sit down.
Okay, so let's.
Sit down. You should not get bumpy. You should not fall down in the water. Sit down for the stuff.
You're right. Oh man, it's getting chilly.
Yeah, and the land, there's a lot of people.
Yep, because we're and some people are here too.
Yeah,
Me and my dad.
even my mom and my brother.
Yep. Your mom and my brother. I don't know your mom. That's the mom of Jacob. Here's a brother.
Para que se parta en dos.
This is my mom.
And that's your dad. And that's you, the kid.
Me.
And I'm the kid.
Okay. It's almost 12 minutes. A lot of video. Video scan.
And coming up on our right, we have this red sea buoy. This sea buoy marks the edge of the channel for larger vessels. But the most important thing about this sea buoy is that on it we have some California sea lions. We're going to come down the right side of the boat, and I'll flip the boat around and bring it down the left side so everybody gets a good look. You can tell that these are sea lions and not seals.
Sea lions?
Because of the fact that they are on this sea buoy.
Sea lions,
They let themselves out of the water enough to get out on a sea buoy. During the day, they are very lazy creatures. They bask out in the sun and recharge. That's because they do most of their hunting at nighttime.
Now, you guys are summer sea lions in the world.
Female sea lions are about 200 pounds and 6 or 7 feet long, while male sea lions are about 8 or 9 feet long and 900 to 1,000 pounds.
You see that, guys? It's what's that? Kind of like well, look, there's no city here, so we're at the middle of the ocean. Hey, a Titanic! Look, a Titanic is moving. Wow, this is cool, guys. 13 minutes. Jacob. No, bro, he's under the table. It's getting now cooler and cooler to get hot.
Oh, this is so cool.
Yeah, I prefer to get my jacket. Better than my jacket, so I'll get it. So see you guys. I hope you like my video about taking a ride with me on the ocean, in the boat.
Tomorrow. Bye.
I'll see you tomorrow. I don't know what we're gonna do tomorrow because tomorrow I have a KiwiCo because I think. Well, I don't know if we're gonna make a video about it about Tinker Crate. I think.
Yeah.
So I think we're gonna make a video tomorrow. See ya.
At our snack bar.
Bye.